Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to join a community on Reddit, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the icon that you can find in the upper left corner of the screen. Scroll down to the Your Communities section and tap on Browse Communities. Now you have to tap on the categories that you are interested in. So there are also subcategories according to the category that you have chosen. So tap on the relevant ones that you are interested in and then tap the button Continue down below. Now here you can see communities that you can join, selected by according to the subcategories that you have chosen. So in the makeup category you can see these communities. If you want to join one of them or some of these, you can tap on this plus icon. If you scroll down you can see another subcategory, which is nail art, so you can tap on the one that interests you. And if you are done with joining communities, all you have to do is tapping on the save and continue button down below. So now you have been added to these communities, so now you are a member of these, and the posts of the communities will appear at your home page. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.